Welcome back, guys. So when it comes to design, we have some features called elements and position. So let's do that. So I'm going to add a new page. I'll name this alignment. I'm going to name it alignments and position. So it's going to be alignment and position. So let's do that. So I'm going to add a frame right now. So let me add a frame. This time around, let me add an iPhone SE frame. And this is an iPhone SE frame. And right now we have the position, the alignment and position right here, but it won't function until you start having an element. So right now let's have an element. Let me start with a polygon. So I'm going to start with a polygon right here. So let's start with a polygon, and let me give the polygon a color. So let me give this like a green color. So I'll give this polygon a green color this way, and having to give it a green color, when you click on it, you see we have the alignment and position. So let's talk about that right now. So the alignment and position literally means you could align these elements to the left, it goes to the left. You could align it to the center, it comes to the center. You could align it to the right, it comes to the right. So this is the left, center, right alignments. And we still have other alignments. We have the top, middle, bottom. So this is the top alignment, and this is the middle alignment, and this is the bottom alignment. Then we could choose to center it. So we have that. So when you go to the top, it goes to the top. When you come to the middle, it comes to the middle. When you go to the bottom, it goes to the bottom. So that's the alignment part. Then the position and alignment works together. So let's say you change this position to like an 80. So we have the position coordinates, you could see. So the position says x goes this way and y goes this way. So let's do some y positioning. So let's say this positioning should be 60. You could see. So alignment and position works together. When you change this alignment, the x coordinate changes. So you see the x coordinate just changes because this is x0. So x goes this way, y goes this way. Just like what we used to have in graph when we do mathematics. You have your x coordinate, you have your y coordinate. So that's the positioning of all things. So when you change something to the middle, the y coordinate changes. So this is the y coordinate. So this align top, align center, align bottom, they are all y coordinates. So that's what it means. And why these left, center, right are all x coordinates. So when you change that, you see that the x coordinate changes, and that's all about alignment and positioning. So you could do more of this. It's just for you to just do the basic calculation. That's why I'm showing you all this. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.